Hello, Greta. Come here. Come here. Greta came in with her sister about 2 days ago, a couple of days ago, and she came in fighting. And she's a bit freaked out. There you go. And we had to separate them because they were fighting. Hi, cutie. And she wouldn't let me touch her. I mean, she was not wanting me to go in her suite or anything. And now Greta has turned the other cheek. And she's really come around. I think her sister Ramona will soon. She's much calmer than she was when she came in. And I think she'll be pretty happy soon too. So we're just giving it a little time. These guys have never been boarded here before. And they weren't sure how they would react. Look at you. I can't believe you went from trying to eat my face to being a nice kitty. Look at that. Look at that. And what's really funny is Greta is the nice one, and I'm pretty certain that the owner said that the housemate, Ramona, was the sweeter one, the one that lets you pet her. But it turns out that sometimes cats are like kids in daycare. You're not quite sure how it's going to be for the first time. Sometimes their personalities are a little bit different than they are at home. So it's funny because Greta's the nice sweet one now, and Ramona's still holding out. So try not to worry. They're doing okay, and Greta's fine, no problems whatsoever, and they're both eating and voiding normally. So they ate right from the start, so I think they were just a little bit freaked out when they came in. But they settled right in, so I'm not sure if they were freaked out because they had been to a different kennel in the past and what they were expecting, or why they freaked out. But it's an unusual occurrence for cats to kind of freak. Oh, that's just the tape stopping on the TV. It's an unusual occurrence for cats to freak out like that when they come in, but it does happen like in maybe 2% of the cats that come in. But in almost all cases, except maybe a very, very few, they do come around. So we were glad to see that Greta's warmed up to us, and we're hoping Ramona warms up soon. Yes, you're a good girl. You a good girl, Greta? You're a good girl. Yeah.